Okay, since we were on the topic of wolves, we got to let the coyotes in on the show.
Okay.
Here's a coyote waiting for his friend in a tunnel. Go ahead. It's just a GIF. Go ahead and load it up. Here's a coyote. He's like about to go through this big giant pipe.
Big ears.
And he goes, man, I can't go yet. Where's my pal? And he hops and he's like, let's go, let's go. And then his little friend Badger shows up and they're like, all right, let's go, man.
Oh my God, it's not another coyote?
It's a badger.
That's adorable.
All right, let's go. Time to go. So they're like, they're basically a Disney movie, these two.
I was just going to say, this feels like a Bainstein Bears type of...
Somebody needs to make this movie. It's Coyote and a badger.
The badger's
Yes,
like, oh,
exactly.
I'm not too sure.
Yeah. Do you see how much slower the badger? Or the badger's like, oh, here we go again.
Oh, yeah.
Because the coyote is like on a mission. He's like, come on, we got to go check out the other park. Or
Very hoppy.
Yeah.
You know?
He's like, I promise, man, there's going to be food over here. And the
He's
badger's
like, I
like,
don't know.
oh, last time. You're always making promises. As he waddles over there. But yeah, somebody's about to do this movie right here. I mean, granted, it's probably a lot more dark. Actually, what's going on is the coyote is luring the badger in there because there's 14 other coyotes on the other side. They're about to rip it to shreds.
Man.
They're about to rip it to shreds, Mo.
Look.
Ain't no Disney! Ain't no Disney!
Why you got to do that to us?
I mean, because these guys,
I know,
on,
they're
man.
cunning, these ones.
They're so smart.
Yeah.
That being said, a badger is no easy target.
Yo.
They're
They
some
can
of the
wrestle.
fiercest. Some of the most like pound for pound champs when it comes to don't mess with me status.
Right.
So we don't know exactly what's going on, but it's a cool clip regardless.
Can anyone turn off?
I got it. You know, I thought you had it. I thought you had it on your thing.
New phone. I don't.
New phone.
Apologies.
New phone will. What is it? New phone who dis?
Who dis, yeah.
Is that what they do?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that what they do?